This desktop is clearly built with one goal in mind: to deliver high performance across gaming, productivity, and heavy multitasking without compromise. At the center of the system is the Intel Ultra 7-265 processor, paired with an RTX 5060 graphics card featuring 8 GB of next-generation DDR5 memory. Alongside that, you get 64 GB of DDR5 RAM and an enormous 8 TB PCIe SSD, all running on Windows 11 Pro. On paper, this is not just a gaming PC. It feels like a hybrid machine designed for gamers, creators, and power users who want one system that can handle everything without constant upgrades or limitations. Starting with day-to-day responsiveness, the experience is extremely fluid. Everything from booting into the system to launching heavy applications feels almost instantaneous. The combination of fast storage and high memory capacity makes multitasking feel effortless. You can run multiple demanding programs at the same time without noticing slowdowns. The Intel Ultra 7-265 processor plays a key role in this experience. Built on a hybrid architecture, it intelligently distributes workloads between performance and efficiency cores. That means heavy tasks like rendering or gaming get full power, while background processes stay efficient and optimized. The result is a system that feels fast but also stable under long usage sessions. When it comes to gaming, this is where the system really shows its strengths. The RTX 5060 Ti is positioned for strong performance at 1080p and 1440p resolutions. Modern games run smoothly at high or even ultra settings in many cases, especially when paired with upscaling technologies. Frame rates stay consistent, which is more important than peak numbers when it comes to real-world gameplay experience. Competitive titles benefit even more. High refresh rate gaming is easily achievable, and input responsiveness stays tight and consistent. That makes this system suitable not just for casual gaming, but also for more serious competitive play. Ray tracing is supported, and while performance varies depending on the title, it becomes much more manageable when combined with optimization features. It's not trying to be an extreme flagship GPU for 4K ultra settings, but instead focuses on delivering stable, efficient performance where most gamers actually play. The 8 GB of GDDR5 memory adds another layer of efficiency. Faster memory bandwidth helps with texture loading and overall smoothness in modern titles. However, in extremely demanding future games at higher resolutions, users may need to balance settings to maintain optimal performance. Beyond gaming, this system really starts to shine as a productivity machine. With 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is no longer a concern. Large projects, multiple browser tabs, editing software, streaming tools, and background applications all run simultaneously without system strain. This level of memory makes the system feel more like a workstation than a traditional gaming PC. Storage is another standout feature. The 8 TB PCIe SSD completely changes how you interact with your system. There is enough space to install large game libraries, high-resolution video projects, and professional software without constantly managing storage. Load times are extremely fast, and file transfers feel nearly instant in real use. From a thermal standpoint, the system is clearly designed to maintain balance under load. Efficient airflow inside the chassis helps keep temperatures under control even during long gaming or rendering sessions. That stability is important because sustained performance matters more than short performance spikes. Noise levels are also kept in check under normal workloads, which makes the system more comfortable for extended use, whether you're gaming, working, or creating content. Connectivity is another practical strength. USB-C support and docking compatibility make it easier to integrate this system into a modern setup. Whether it's multiple monitors, external drives, or professional accessories, the system is built to adapt without requiring constant cable switching. So who exactly is this machine built for? It's clearly aimed at users who need more than just basic gaming performance. This is for people who want a single desktop that can handle gaming, creative work, and heavy multitasking without needing upgrades in the short term. For gamers, it delivers smooth and consistent performance at popular resolutions. For creators, it provides enough CPU and memory headroom to handle demanding workloads like video editing, 3D work, or streaming. And for general power users, it offers a level of stability and speed that keeps everything feeling responsive under pressure. At the same time, it's important to understand where it sits in the performance hierarchy. This is not an extreme enthusiast-level system built for maximum 4K ultra performance or professional rendering farms. Instead, it focuses on balanced high-end performance across multiple use cases. Everything about this system feels intentional. The processor choice, GPU pairing, large memory capacity, and oversized storage all point toward one direction: consistency and long-term usability rather than short-term peak benchmarks. In real-world use, that approach often matters more. A system that stays fast, stable, and flexible across years of usage is often more valuable than one that only wins in specific benchmark scenarios. Overall, this desktop delivers a strong combination of gaming capability, productivity performance, and future-ready hardware design. It is built for users who want one machine that can handle everything without constantly thinking about limitations. And in today's PC landscape, that kind of balance is becoming increasingly important.